Hi, now we are going to see about the topic of cluster Alva virtual machine collaborative migration in Media Cloud.
This is the abstract of our project. Media Cloud has become a promising paradigm for deploying large-scale streaming media application at a reduced cost. Due to dynamic and diverse demand of users, Media Cloud presents two crucial characteristics: high resource computations and dynamic traffic among media servers. Consequently, virtual machine migration in Media Cloud is highly required to suit varying resource requirements and the dynamic traffic patterns. Existing Media Cloud resource management schemes or traffic-aware VM deployment approaches are insufficient for Media Cloud, ignoring the characteristics of either cloud infrastructure or media streaming requirements. Propose a cluster-level VM collaborative migration scheme for Media Cloud, tightly integrating clustering, placement, and dynamic migration process. The scheme employs a clustering algorithm and a placement algorithm to obtain ideal migration strategies for newly received media server clusters, and a migration algorithm to effectively accomplish the migration process of media servers. This is the flow of our project. In our project, we have two processes, client and the server. Client wants to get registered. If user is not a registered user should register in the system to log in into the system. For creating a new account, the user should give the details and also the username and password. After creating the account, only they can log in into the system using the username and password given by them during the registration. And then after uploading the files, after logging into the system, only they can upload their files into the server. User can upload the text files, Word files, PDF files, images, etc. Select the category of the file to be uploaded, then select the particular file. After selecting the file, the content of the file will be displayed and also the file size, file length, uploading time, etc. And then the server want to first started, and then only the server will receive the files. First we want to select the destination path in the server where we are going to save the file, and then start the server to receive the file from the client. Server cluster the similar category files. Then according to that, the files are saved in the server using VM collaboration. And finally the migration. In this process, the migration is done. That is, we are collecting data from the client, placing it in the server, and also the time taken to upload the file and placing the file to server was calculated finally. The running process. This is the home page. First you want to register into the system. Please give all the details. Click here to register. Registered successfully. Now you can log in. Click here to log in into the system. This is the data uploading page. Click here to select the type, text, document, PDF or images. Now I am selecting the images, and then after that click here to browse. services must be full.
This is the server. Choose the destination path of the server. Where you want to store the file. Now the server status is start. Click here to start the server. Server is running, waiting to receive the file. Now click here to send the file. Here VM is allocated. This VM only your file has been stored. Received. The file has been received and the server start. Now you can see the save file. You can see the file in pictures. This is your image.